Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your iPhone and not delete them from your phone. So this tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now I'm going to show you a few ways how you can do this. So for example, I want to go ahead. Let's for example try to remove Tron Link application. All you have to do is just hold on that application for a little bit. And after that, you will see that you can remove the application. So you want to click remove app. And now you will have an option remove from home screen and not delete it. So I'm just going to click remove from home screen and then it's not here anymore. If you want to go ahead and find it again, you can go ahead and scroll to the last page to your app library and search for Tron Link. And here it is. Now, if you want to go ahead and delete the whole page with a lot of apps, all you have to do is click on that search and hold it, just like so, right there. And then again, hold it like so. Just click on it. And after that, you will have an option to check mark, for example, this page and remove it. And after that, that page is no longer available here with all of those applications. The applications will be still available in your app library. So if this tutorial was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.